So díobh gach duine táimid lehanach a céad is a héandeag aniu. So we're day ina tá gwyn, we're on Friday and we're on page 111. Now, just two small things for you to do today, guys. Ashgrieve na habertí, that means kind of unjumble the sentence, okay, and write it the right way. And then also I'm going to get you to just answer two questions, okay? So we'll go first to this. Ashgrieve na habertí. So nuair atá rud éigean seo déanta a dhéanamh agat caithfidh tú fécant ar na bríomhar ar dús. So the best way to just go through this is the first thing you look for is the verb in the sentence, okay? So the verb sin an céad rud. So cuaig an céad rud. Now, caithfidh na duine sa abertí seo. So who is the person in this? So let's look. We have Godí tar éis na scoile macharda cuaig an leabharlann. All right. Right. So we have cuaig and then we'll put the duine macharda, then Godí, and then on oit, on leabharlann, the place, tar éis na scoile. Cahan, like when then after that, okay? So let's do, so cuaig macharda Godí an leabharlann tar éis na scoile. Okay, so iver a do. Now you're going to tell me which one, well you can't tell me, but anyway I'll leave you time to think about it. Which is the verb? Marga leabhar, which is a book fair, an ihe sin sa scoil ar siúl bhí. Alright, so the first one is V. And what is it, or is there a person involved? Marga leabharga. So V marga leabhara ar siúl ar scoil an oit an ihe seo. Okay, an ihe sin. Alright, so you look for the verb, then the person or the place, and then when. Alright, so let's put that in. Look at number 3 for me. Nura di sporach he hosig na páistí síos. Okay. Okay. So we have hosig and he. So we have sitting and started. Okay. So and we have di sporach, which means debate, and then we have na páistí is the people. So I would say they sat down when the debate started. Okay, so what would be to sit? So he, and then na páistí, and I'll let you finish the rest of it. So we'll look at number 4. San onad Shopadorachta, which is a shopping centre. Cianic, to buy in yesterday. Lower Green, which is a comic on Ferramure, the farmer. Okay, so you decide how that works out. Na tish mahori, the parents, hosig started ag bula bus to clap tar éis tamil after a while. All right, so you decide again how that's going to work. Now, once you have that finished, okay, I just want you to write these into your copy. So these are just two questions on math a bheith ag léamh. Do you like to read? So the answer is either ní maithlumm or is maithlumm. And try and write a sentence or two with it. All right, give it a go and see how you get on. And on Dara count, Cain Lauris Mahlat, what book do you like? So Dane She's Bioganin Fui the Lower a Hatni and Lat. Okay, so just write maybe 1 or 2 sentences about the book that you like. So, and like you could say, is mahlum, is evenlum, is bralum, I love, I like, on lower mar because it is funny, tasha granver, or tasha simul, it's interesting. You got that word interesting in your story this week, okay? On simul. You could say something about Tagalor Dini Ishtigam. There's a lot of people in it. You know, let's say if it was Harry Potter, you'd say Harry Potter on Preve character. Okay, so you can just try and write a small little bit about it and say why, like it's Tasha Granver, Tasha Simul, you know, something like that. Okay, so give it a go, and just I'm going to ask you for this piece of work as well, so just see how you get on. Slán.